I'm Geetha Padmaja. When I thought of doing interiors for my son's flat in Aparna Marigold, I initially approached CustomFurnish. This is my second venture with CustomFurnish. And CustomFurnish people, I'm a die-hard fan of CustomFurnish. They have initially executed my house, which was located in Satilgoda, and they have done an excellent job there. Impressed by their work and their workmanship, I have approached a second time for the interiors at Aparna Marigold. To be honest, the entire team is excellent. Needless to mention, Mr. Pavan, who is an interior designer, he has excellently guided us, and he has a lot of patience, and he's marvelous. I cannot describe him in no words describe his virtues. He is very, very good person. And the execution team was very excellent. Mr. Vijay also has assisted me in all the fronts, and they have guided me in execution of the project. And to my surprise, actually they have given me time up to May 31st. They initially told that it will be completed by May 31st. Though initially it was promised they will be completing within 20 days, they said that there is some shortage of material, something like that. And they asked my permission, and I have approved for that, and they said that they will be completing the project by May 31st along with installation. But to my surprise, after a week they called and they intimated me that the work is done and madam, you can plan for installation. And the installation, accordingly I have planned for installation, and they have completed well in advance. And installation work, I thought that they will be taking around 4 to 5 days. But to my surprise, they have completed within 2 days. I was really shocked the way they have completed the installation part, and excellent. Everything is very precise and workmanship is too good, and I recommend CustomFurnish to all whoever wants to go ahead with interiors. I really admire CustomFurnish. That's it. Thank you very much.